Hi guys, this is the Innovative Minds Tutor. Welcome to our part 2 video of calculus, right? We're still on calculus. Remember when we left our video, we were on our part 1 video where we focus on different functions. We were deriving different functions. We're deriving a hyperbola and a quadratic. But now we're going to derive a cubic function. How do you derive a cubic function? That's what we are going to learn today. But using what? First principles. Then our part 3 video will be about differentiation. Right. If you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and like the video. Right. Thank you. We are growing as a community. Keep sharing the videos and keep learning. Comment on the video. That will be highly appreciated as well. Right, without wasting time, let's get to today's video. Right, so they said find the derivative of f of x from first principles, right? Given that f of x is equals to x cube. All right, first thing first, the first step is to write the formula, guys. You need to follow the steps, write the formula. The derivative of f of x is equals to limit as h approaches 0, f at x plus h minus the given function divided by h. Right, first thing, it's the formula. Second step, let's go, limit as h approaches 0. So the second step is to, where you see x cube, guys, you must replace by x plus h. So we are going to replace by x plus h minus the given function, which is x cube, divided by h. So basically, first step, you write the formula. Second step, it's now substituting, but where there is x, you replace by x plus h minus the given function. Now we need to, the third step is to work out the bracket. Let's go with our limit as h approaches 0. So because it's cube, we need to have two brackets. One must have a square, so this will have a square, and the other one must not have a square. Actually, we are having three brackets in other ways, right? Let's take out x cubed there, divided by h. Fourth step, let's go. Limit as h approaches 0. So when you square x there, you get x squared. 2 multiplied by h times x, that will be 2xh, right? Then you square h, then you get h squared. What did we use here? We use Pascal's method, or you can use the one where you simplify two brackets, then you will have this as at the end, right? Okay, let's place this in a bracket. X plus h minus x cube. I'm going step by step. I'm not jumping any step here. So I'm going step by step. Right? X squared then now we use the FOIL method or distributive property. X multiply everything here. X squared multiplied by x, that will be x cube. 2xh multiplied by x, that will be 2x squared h, right? X multiplied by h squared, that will be xh squared. Now let's focus on h. H will now multiply this bracket again. H multiplied by x there, that will be x squared h. Then h multiplied by 2x, that will be 2x h squared. H multiplied by h squared there, that will be h cube minus x cube. Okay, it's fine. Let's work it out. Okay, we are here. So we have worked out the brackets divided by h. All right. Now our next step, what do we do is to collect the like terms. Now we can see, guys, x cube goes with x cube, and what do we know? The like terms, x cube minus x cube, that will be 0, meaning that these two will cancel each other. We'll cancel this. Then let's look what we have here. We have 2x squared h. Do we have anything that is x squared h here? Yes, we do. We have this. we also have this. So 2x squared h plus x squared h, that will give us 3x squared h. Then we also have xh squared. Do we have anything that has a xh squared? Yes, we do. We have this. So when we add these two, we get what? We get 3xh squared. So do we have anything that is associated with h cube here? Nah, there is. No, we don't have it. We don't have it. Let's just say h cube there, divided by h. Don't forget, limit as h approaches 0. Now the next step here is to take out the highest common factor. We can see by inspection that the highest common factor is h here, right? Then what are we left with here? We're left with 3x squared. We're left with what here? We're left with 3xh. To get to h cube, we need h squared, then divided by h. Yeah, we just have to be smarter, guys. It is what it is. H and h, they cancel. Okay, let's go. Limit is h approaches 0. So we have 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared. Okay, then meaning that where there is h, you're going to put 0. You're going to put 0. So right, now remember that where there is h replaced by 0, we are on our final step. Then if you multiply this and this, you get 0. This will be 0 and this will be 0. 0 plus 3x squared, that's 3x squared, meaning that the derivative of x cubed, it's 3x squared. Hope you find this video useful. Yes, it is what it is. Then you get your beautiful 5 marks. Depending on some, they can give you 6. It depends on the examiners. Right, so these are the steps that are necessarily. Hope you're writing down what is needed when you are finding these finding the derivative from first principle, specifically when you're working with a cubic function. Hope you find this video useful. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video and share. See you on the next one. We love you.